Hello, lady. Are you looking for me?
No.
Hello, lady. Are you looking for me?
No.
You mean to tell me you're not here to see me?
CS200, tell me what's going on. CS200, tell me what's going on.
What's happening?
My radar says there's an unidentified spacecraft coming our way right now.
Oh no, could it possibly be one of the jet fighters from the Red Star Army?
We can't be too sure. Apparently it's not answering the signal we're sending.
Then I think we'd better tell Mr. Tan about this right away.
Yes, the sooner, the better.
What's happening?
My radar says there's an unidentified spacecraft coming our way right now.
Oh no, could it possibly be one of the jet fighters from the Red Star Army?
We can't be too sure. Apparently it's not answering the signal we're sending.
Then I think we'd better tell Mr. Tan about this right away.
Yes, the sooner, the better.
Come in, Mr. Tan.